Alright, great minds. So this on how to export designs to JPEG or image. So basically, once you go here from file, you can export it from here. Just save for web, then click on save. Save for web. Then let's just leave this in. Let's just keep it here. Then you can see the format is only on image. Concert. Click on save. So automatically that image now has been turned to a JPEG. Let me show you. So you can see it's now a JPEG. Either you follow that way, because that way is the way to get high quality JPEG, or you follow this way from file, save as, save on your computer. Then let's find the directory that we're going to save it on. Desktop, here. Then save as type. Here that you choose what? JPEG. This JPG, JPEG, JPG, JPEG, like that kind of a thing. That's the one that you click. Then you click on save. Or if it's a PNG, the one that doesn't have a background, just come here and click at PNG. So that's how it is being done. Then click save. Then it will just make the image to be a large file and press OK. So this is how to export your image in Photoshop. So thank you very much. I still remain Ekendo Precious, your coach.
Don't forget to click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell